Hello and welcome to this new video. This time we are going to take a look at some negative prefixes. Okay, the prefixes are those that we use before the word. Okay, prefix before. Okay, and we are going to take a look at the ones that have a negative meaning, like a, we pronounce a, or this, il, im, in, un, uh, like irregular or none. Okay, we're gonna see some examples. Okay, the objective of the video is, well, you're gonna learn some new vocabulary. If you don't know any of the words, look it up in the dictionary. We'll take a look at them as we go along, but also you can use a dictionary to help yourself with the words that you don't know. And well, basically you should memorize, these type of prefixes. It's just by using them. Okay, you see the words. There's no rule. Prefixes are a very old something that incorporates, in the language, with the centuries. So it's not like we make up a rule to use a prefix here or there. It's just something that you have to hear, to listen, and then use it. Okay, and we're going to just take a look at some of them, and then as you review, as you practice, as you repeat, you will see how you use them naturally. Okay, so the first one is a. So always always begin with the consonant. Okay, so the words that use this prefix begin with the consonant. For example, political, political, hey, political. Okay, you can repeat after me. Sexual, yes, asexual. Okay, sexual, asexual, politico, apolitico. Theist, atheist. Okay, now this, another prefix. The word may begin with a vowel or consonant in this case. Agree, disagree. Comfort, discomfort. Comfort is confort, discomfort is malestar. Mount, dismount. Montar like a horse, bajarse, desmontar. Okay. Orient, disorient. Okay. Ill, okay. Always this prefix, we usually use it before the letter, the consonant L. Okay. Legal, illegal. Legible, que se puede leer. Illegible, you can read. You can read it. Logical, illogical. Legitimate. Okay, be careful with ate. Okay, remember, legitimate, the schwa, legitimate, not legitimate. That would be a verb. You could use it like a verb, but like an adjective is legitimate, illegitimate. Okay. Literate, same thing with the ate. Literate, alfabetizado, illiterate, analfabeto, illiterate. Okay. Im, the prefix im always begin with the letter M or P. Mobile, immobile. Moral, immoral. Perfect, imperfect. Possible, impossible. Okay? In, very popular one, it can begin with a vowel except I or U, or consonant 2. Organic, inorganic. Polite, impolite. Decent, indecent. Discreet, indiscreet. Sane, insane. So, cuerdo, insensato, no? The opposite. Okay, insane. Accurate, inaccurate. Eligible, illegible, illegible. So that means that the opposite is que no es apto. It's ineligible for the job or ineligible for the position. Okay. un, un. Okay, be careful because in and un, these two usually create a lot of confusion. I mean, there's like a general idea rule. Some people say that in is for Latin words and un is for Anglo-Saxon words. That may be true, but there are so many exceptions. Even in these examples that we see, there are so many exceptions that I wouldn't recommend using that rule. Okay, it's just a matter of using and seeing them in the context. Able, capaz, unable, interesting, uninteresting, usual, unusual, comfortable, uncomfortable, helpful, unhelpful, prepared, unprepared. Okay, the ir, always with the letter R in this case, rational, irrational, reconcilable, irreconcilable, irreconciliable, irreconcilable. Okay, regular, irregular, resistible, irresistible. And then another popular one is non, like the opposite. Usually it could be, in this case, with a vowel or consonant. Conformist, nonconformist, essential, non-essential, fiction, non-fiction, and sense, nonsense. Que tiene sentido, sense, and nonsense, que no tiene sentido. Okay, so, well, I think this is a very brief list. You have hundreds of words that use prefixes and suffixes. Just review this list a few times and then you will see how you start using them in conversation. And that's what's important. You become familiar with these popular negative prefixes. Okay. All right. Thanks very much. And well, I hope to see you soon. Goodbye.